Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we're not just introducing a new product, we're redefining an everyday experience. My name is Liam, the Communications Director at Laifen, and your guide on today's journey. Since our inception in 2019, Laifen has been at the forefront of revolutionizing everyday routines. Our mission has always been clear: to break the chains of exclusivity by offering the latest tech at accessible prices. In just a few years, our signature hairdryers have found a place in over 7 million homes around the world. This success story isn't just about the numbers. It's proof of our commitment to quality, innovation, and listening to what people truly need. Throughout history, humans have constantly been trying to improve their dental habits, from the first frayed twigs used by ancient civilizations, to the first bristle brushes of ancient China, to the first nylon bristles of the 20th century, and finally, the first electric toothbrushes. Today, Laifen will be taking the next step. Nowadays, brands offer features such as LED displays, pressure sensors, AI and 3D tracking, but there are still some fundamental issues that they haven't addressed. Such issues as the inability to clean deep enough between your teeth and along the gum line, discomfort encountered during brushing, damage to your gums, and high costs. Today at CES, Laifen is here to offer you a solution to these problems. Introducing the Laifen Wave. Sleek, minimalistic, and yet profoundly functional. It's not just about the aesthetics, it's about bringing a sense of style to your daily routine. So first, let's have a look at the design of the handle. We designed the device to be only 4.7 inches in length, making it very compact and easy to carry on the go. The bottom edge is curved at a 45-degree angle, making it comfortable for both large and small hands. Whereas most brands will only offer plastic models, the Laifen Wave is also available in aluminum alloy and stainless steel. These handles are created through a multi-stage deep drawing process. Imagine stretching one piece of metal bit by bit until it creates an ultra-durable single-piece design. This seamless design not only looks great, but it also eliminates any gaps where dirt or bacteria might accumulate. With an IPX7 waterproof rating and higher antibacterial properties than its plastic counterparts. But the innovation doesn't stop there. We've taken a page from the high-end smartphone industry and incorporated nano-molding technology into the device, a first in the electric toothbrush industry, to create a more stable integration of the handle and the PCB. We're also the first in the industry to apply a 4-layer gold plating process to the PCB. This enhances its resistance against dirt, water, and even humidity. So the Laifen Wave is available in 3 models. We have stainless steel, aluminum alloy, and ABS, each offering a different aesthetic to match your personal style. Some other features include our pressure-sensitive button, which is seamless and extremely easy to use. Our indicator lights are made up of extremely small perforations, a nice blend of style and practicality. And our minimalist packaging is not only easy on the eye, but it's also easy on the environment, being made up of over 90% biodegradable materials. Now that we've talked about the design, let's have a look at the motor. So the motor is what brings the Wave to life. It's the beating heart that sets the bristles into motion. On the market today, toothbrushes use various different motors. These motors can achieve high-frequency vibrations, but because of their mechanical limitations, they cannot achieve wide-range oscillations. That is where the Laifen Wave has an advantage. The advantage of being paired with our self-developed Servo System. If the motor is the heart, Then the servo system is the brain. It's an advanced control system that uses feedback to maintain a desired performance level. It uses two Hall sensors which monitor the speed and angle of the motor. This data is then sent to a control chip which calculates how much power is needed, which is then sent back to the motor as instructions. This creates a closed-loop system. This differs from traditional electric toothbrushes, which simply send instructions to the motor and don't receive any feedback. So when judging the brushing performance of an electric toothbrush, we'll look at three core parameters. First, the oscillation range. This is the range of motion of the brush head. The greater the range, the greater the brushing coverage. The Laifen Wave boasts a range of 60 degrees, the highest available on the market. The second is vibration frequency. This is the speed at which the bristles move while vibrating. The Laifen Wave boasts a maximum vibration frequency of 66,000 vibrations per minute, by far the highest on the market. And next one, torque. This is the force behind the oscillations of the brush head. The higher the torque, the better it is at resisting pressure. The Laifen Wave has a torque of 440 gram-force centimeter. So first, let's have a look at the oscillation range, here indicated with a red laser. You can see the oscillation range of some other brands are rather narrow and quite unstable. But thanks to our proprietary servo system, the Wave can achieve a much greater range. Not only a greater range, but more accurate and more stable. Next one, the vibration frequency. So we looked at the maximum vibration frequency of some famous brands, 17,500, 37,800, and 31,000. In contrast, the Laifen Wave's maximum is 66,000 vibrations per minute. Of course, this represents the very maximum. The daily brushing modes will be around 26,000. Only when you activate the high frequency mode can you achieve this high vibration frequency. And last but not least is the torque. In the past, brands have misled consumers by suggesting that the strong force of electric toothbrushes is bad for your teeth because it's too strong. But in reality, it's inadequate brushing force which can lead to poor brushing, which can result in more oral problems. This is why some of these brands will offer features such as pressure reminders and pressure sensors, claiming to be looking after your teeth. But in reality, they're just looking after their own motor. That's because their motors struggle when encountering resistance. An electric toothbrush should be able to maintain brushing force even when encountering resistance. As you can see here displayed by the Laifen Wave, can still oscillate when under pressure. So how does this motor performance translate into brushing results? We conducted a series of tests side by side to see how it fares against other brands. The first one, you'll see a side-by-side comparison. Here you can see the toothbrushes when put under pressure. Encountering resistance, take note, the Laifen Wave still has extremely accurate oscillations and can still brush to a high level. For the next test, we formulated a new test coating, which is more reliable than past methods. We also used the mechanical arm to make sure the tests were fair and standardized. For the first one, we used our firmest bristles, and the results speak for themselves. Far superior brushing. And for the next test, we used our softest bristles, the gum care brush head. And still, you can see the results are much better, especially in the gaps between the teeth. So this is the advantage of using a servo system. We can combine an extremely powerful motor with ultra soft bristles to achieve not only amazing brushing results, but also gum care. So the Laifen Wave will come with 3 brush heads. We have the gum care brush head, the super clean brush head, and the ultra whitening brush head. As one of the most vital elements of the electric toothbrush, we paid close attention to the health and safety of the brush head. And so during the manufacturing process, we opted not to use the copper anchored bristles been used in the past. Instead, we used copper-free bristle tufting, which is considerably more hygienic. And thanks to this care and attention to the health and safety, our brush heads are the first in the world to achieve the TUV Rhineland Safety Certification. So you can see with these results, this truly is a next generation brushing experience. But brushing performance aside, how do we cater to the diverse needs of our different consumers? We created a very easy to use and intuitive app. The interface is very simple, and you can customize your brushing experience over 3 settings. We have vibration strength, oscillation range, and oscillation speed, all with 10 levels of changeable intensity. You can adjust these settings before or even during your brushing experience to find out which suits you the most. And once you change these settings, they'll be saved for future brushings. The Laifen Wave has 3 presets you can switch between. You can switch between these on the app or simply by double pressing the power button on the handle. Some other features include a 30-second reminder, a reminder to change the brushing area in your mouth, a flight mode, which makes it extremely convenient to take with you traveling, a high frequency mode that I mentioned previously, and also you can change the brushing duration from 1 minute up to 5 minutes, depending on your brushing habits. The Laifen Wave is equipped with 2 lithium-ion batteries and a magnetic charging method. This allows you to charge the Wave in only 2.5 hours for up to 30 days of use.
Introducing an all-new way of brushing. A pioneering next-generation toothbrush that features a groundbreaking combination of oscillation and vibration. This is the Laifen Wave electric toothbrush. With its ultra-thin bristles, copper-free brush heads, and seamless handle, the Laifen Wave delivers an unparalleled brushing experience. The Laifen Wave is the first to truly brush your teeth with its 60-degree oscillations. This robust oscillation range, combined with Laifen's soft and tapered bristles, effectively solves the problem of clinging teeth while protecting the gums. The Laifen Wave's revolutionary advances also propel electric toothbrushes into the era of precision vibrations. It's all made possible by Laifen's proprietary Servo System, which not only provides exceptional stability and power, but also precise brush head movements. Thanks to its comprehensive waterproof structure, the Laifen Wave is rated IPX7 waterproof. From top to bottom, the Laifen Wave is redefining oral care. The Laifen app allows you to make real-time adjustments across 3 settings and 10 levels, and save your preferred brushing habits. With its innovative pressure-sensitive button, you can easily switch between modes with a single touch. The magnetic charging cable conveniently charges the Laifen Wave in just 2.5 hours, with a full charge lasting up to 30 days. The Laifen Wave is available in 3 different materials and is built with a seamless design. With its 3 premium copper-free antibacterial brush heads that are tailored for gum care, brushing efficiency, and teeth whitening. This is the comprehensive oral care package. The electric toothbrush you've been waiting for. The Laifen Wave.
So for the ABS Laifen Wave, we are at $69. For the aluminum alloy, $79. And for the stainless steel, $99. For 3 brush heads, $9.99. So we say each brush head will last you 3 months. And for 6 brush heads, which will last you a year and a half, only $16.99. The support of our 7 million users drives us to continue making the latest tech and offering it at accessible prices. So thank you.